going on, guys? It's your boy Dro, and I wanted to talk to you guys about how my car was bogging and it was like misfiring and stuff. So I'm gonna put the video of the car misfiring right now. When it first started doing that, I thought it was maybe, I looked up on YouTube and it said that, come here. It said that it was the control valve, which is this piece. And then some people said it was the TPS sensor. Some people said it was the air to fuel ratio. Some people said it was my mass flow sensor. Some people said it was my coil packs. So boom, all these people said all these different stuff. So I went ahead, new control valve, new TPS sensor, new mass sensor, new coil packs, new spark plugs, boom. All of that, boom. Car is still bogging. So I'm like, what the hell? So shout out to my boy Isaiah. I hit him up because he knows a lot about Mustangs. And he told me right here, look at this. So this wire, it comes back here to the back of my plenum. That goes right here. We have it taped up right now, but we put electrical tape. But right here, this whole thing is ripped. So basically, I just did all that replacing parts for no reason because the whole time my problem was this vacuum line right here was ripped. And actually, if that happens to you, I already called the Ford in my area. They said they don't even make that part anymore. If your car starts bogging like that, you should first start the cheapest way. Number one, check if all your lines are right, because if I would have did that first, I would have saved the headache of saved a lot of money. So check if all your lines are right. And then two, check your control valve. You can spray with some brake cleaner to unclog it. And third, I would say like your mass airflow sensor. You would keep your car on and unplug it. And if it starts like acting the same, then it's not good, because if you unplug it, it's supposed to start acting worse, and then when you plug it back in, it's supposed to like start acting better. So that's how you check that. And yeah, so basically my car is fucked until I get the vacuum seal from my boy Isaiah, so stay tuned for that.
Straight from the block with them Glocks, nigga. It's Joe with the beam. Fuck do you mean? Yeah, sweater supreme. Bitch, I'm elite. Nike the check. Fuck do you mean? I tell that little bitch.